Look at the front where it says Ames real big. Somebody had a machete in here. Hill stickers though. Floor is gone. This is crazy. This is worse than yesterday. Oh my god. I can't believe I was able to just walk right in. Check that out. Wow, this is incredible. Wow. This is really Nate. What's up? Watch how this lights this up. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Abandoned Circuit City. Let's go. Hey everybody, right now I'm out here in Garfield Heights, Ohio. I'm with my buddy and we are inside of the old Circuit City. First to film for YouTube, nobody else has done it. Unbelievable. Obviously there have been squatters in here because there is a vandalism, there's graffiti on the wall. You turning your light on scared the crap out of me.
I'm just checking to see if somebody's still in here.
Yeah, because there's garbage in here. People have been in here.
Lots of garbage.
It's unbelievably easy to get in here too, which is sad. But anyway, let's go take a look around. First to explore for YouTube. So let's do this. This is a Wally B exclusive.
Oh, careful with this one. This one still let us
yeah.
some light to the outside.
Look at the, it's like they were selling like appliances in here. This ended up being a bottom dollar. I cannot believe that, dude. How in the hell did that happen? How? Look, there's a gym in here.
Squatter's been working out.
They've been living in here. Just
Behind that squatter, he's gonna kick our ass.
yeah, he could. There's nothing in here. Nice cork board. Oh, I don't have my thank you stickers. Kara has those.
Just wraps around. Oh, no, wait, no, this doesn't go into the other room, does it?
No, this is another room.
This is all different. Oh, fucking hell, last bit.
Holy cow. Wow.
Yeah, anywhere, bottom dollar.
The bottom dollar. You heard that bang, right?
Yeah. What was that?
I have no idea.
Oh, boy.
It's silent. There's pens, tape. Look at all the random stuff in here.
This is unopened. Don't smell good?
Look at that. There's a nickel still in the cash drawer and a penny.
Ah, there we go. Got some timelines here.
2011.
Is this the only sheet? A couple sheets are done.
Wow.
Okay, so this goes in order.
You gotta be kidding me, dude. Like, this is ridiculous. How? How did we...
These things. I remember these things.
The cash register bags.
Yeah. Oh, fuck yeah, we're throwing some of these. Party time.
This is crazy.
Wow, it's office supplies.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh boy. Oh, nice. The little
Stickers?
Coca-Cola signs.
The stickers?
They're... Yeah, I think.
Nice.
No, you know what? No, they're just the cardboard inserts. They just go like on a shelf.
Hey, did we really both just miss this?
Oh, the safe.
I didn't realize that's what it was. Wow.
There's probably nothing in that anyway, though.
No, definitely not. We're not cracking
Is this thing crazy or what? Like, how did we do that? How? All kinds of crap in here.
Just a bunch of tiny bags?
Yeah, it looks like it.
These are actually useful. I can use these things, officer.
You know, it's like hilarious too. It's like while we're in here doing this, there's a security camera right there, but it's like, yeah, you know, it doesn't work anymore, obviously, but still. Aw, how cute. And then I just pull the door open.
Speed bag. Heavy bag. That's what those are called, right?
Yeah.
Speed bag's the tiny one.
This was Circuit City, guys. Turn into bottom dollar. Man. Will I be okay? No, you won't. No, sadly. It's amazing nobody filmed this, though, for YouTube yet.
Stuff's pretty clean.
Yeah, it's pretty clean in here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, here's clothes, furniture. Somebody called this home.
Taking that dragon.
Lots of drugs.
They, need any parts?
What the hell? First act. No, I'm good. Look at that. Yeah, that dragon's sick. We found one of those. We found one of those in the Radio Shack. Like the same thing. This is how that one building was across the parking lot. It was all full of stuff like this. Yeah, look at all the shit laying here.
Dude, this is Russian, yes.
Yeah, look. It's in this basket, too. It's all Russian. Except for the Claritin.
Okay, so... Chuck E. Cheese tokens.
I saw those. Chuck E. Cheese tokens.
Like, there's no instructions and pictures on, Well, there's something for the nose. Nasal shit. None of the other ones have any pictures with theirs. I don't know what the fuck that is a picture of.
I have no idea.
Nose. Porcelain.
Did you hear that?
Maybe.
Sound like it came from back there.
Right there. Could be aliens.
It could be.
Or it could be crazy serial killer.
Look at all the shelving still in here. Oh, dude, there's shopping carts. MC Sports. That's that store across the parking lot. Dude, we keep hearing some noises in here. And I gotta tell you, man, it's an uneasy feeling. Yeah, MC Sports. That's a store across the parking lot that we were in. There's a D-wall drill. There's tools. Dude, look at the box fan mangled over there up against the wall. Somebody blew out the wall, too. Look at it. Looked like a car drove through the wall. Yeah. There's the roof hatch that was stripped. Watch, there's a spider web. Holy crap, they really hit this with the hind. Satellite radio. Oh, dude, look. Oh, yeah. That XM satellite radio, that was before the Sirius XM merger. Sirius satellite radio, your home for hoops. That's pretty sweet. That tote came from Target because I recognize that sticker. Oh, I found remnants of Circuit City already. It only took a few minutes. It's a bumper. Like somebody's twisted up, mangled bumper. The after Christmas sale. Value City Furniture. Yeah, another Russian thing. Wow. Do I dare open the fridge?
Yeah, we have to.
Yeah, we do. Let's see what's behind door number 1. Oh, wow. Dr. Pepper. Diet Coke.
That stinks. It smells like when you blow up a balloon and you let it go and the air comes back in.
Oh, yeah.
It smells like that.
I can't believe I found that. Nothing in the freezer.
It stinks the same way.
Yeah, I'm not shocked.
It's like that exact taste when the air from the balloon goes back in your mouth.
Let's see what's back here. Man, that banging, man. That. Nothing. Surprised it doesn't smell. The other ones, like, they stunk really, really bad that we were in.
There's a shat in here. Definitely.
Nope. Oh, God.
You got it.
Oh, dude.
Get in there. Come on, give me a shot. Yeah.
Ew. Oh, man.
I don't know if that goes to outside, but it's a window.
No. No, it doesn't go outside. I've noticed some of these doors are locked in these buildings we've been in. Women's restroom.
Go in there. It's the handicap bathroom. It'll be a big.
Oh, see, that smells of that stuff from the methane. A little bit. It's not that bad, but... Now, I've noticed every store here at this shopping center has that rusty hole in the floor. Every single one of them. And there's a mouse trap. But every single one of them has that rusty hole. I wonder if it's like a methane pump or release valve or something that's in there.
Something they have to come and tap routinely?
Maybe. Announcements. Nothing. Look how small the hot water tank is. That's like the smallest one I've ever seen in my life. It's smaller than one of the floor toms for my drum kit. Janitor. This would be the cash office, I would think, because
Oh, the code.
it's open. It's moldy in here a little bit. It's not real bad. Not real bad. Break room, I guess. Quarry tile. Mm-hmm. Nothing. Mm-hmm. This is nothing compared to PetSmart.
Look at how much this bowed out.
Oh, yeah.
So you can hit that from the side, get you that shadow.
Mm-hmm.
It's really round.
And here they fell down, too. A lot of spider webs I keep walking into. Yeah, this one's pretty bad in here. Yeah. You just look at all the ceiling tiles. You can see all the water damage. Unbelievable. I like the little desk. we had to, yeah. This is nuts, man. How'd you get in? Front door. You just walked right right in the front door. I'm thinking of Always Sunny, that episode of Always Sunny. All right, so Charlie, tell us, how'd you get in? Oh, front door. Just you just walked right in the front door. Well, I had a little hustle too, but yeah, front door. So he could just walk right in the front door, but we can't seem to get out of this place. Another corkboard.
Pretty cool. It wasn't, risk of mold.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
I like that.
Little hexagon corner table there. Back out onto the sales floor. Fan. Yeah, this goes back a while still.
This is nice. Oh, if it weren't for the mold, I'd take this fucking chair.
Yeah, look at all the retail fixtures in here. Holy cow. Skull candy. There's a whole pile of chairs up here. I'll tell you what, for this being a bottom dollar, they got a lot of food type of fixtures. That was definitely something for Circuit City, I would think. Because, I mean, look, it's a glass locking cabinet.
So what's it say? Shaver?
Shavers.
Shaver? Yeah, we'll say shaver.
Yeah, they're all shavers.
Interesting.
See, I don't know, maybe CDs? Wait, there's a label here. Nothing.
715 shears.
Artistic tees. Playtex. Okay, where did that window come from? That's all destroyed here. Look, somebody was in here recently. Look at the fresh footprints.
Yeah, I saw some on the other spot. Back at the garage door.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, our shoes do it too. Wow. All that noise, man. Look at that, MC Sports. It's crazy. I heard that. Really? A lot of box fans. MC Sports. A lot of MC Sports crap in here. Holy shit. It's like after MC Sports closed up, they just ditched all their stuff in here.
So here's the computer stuff. What about this one? Yeah, this one too.
Uh-huh.
It's all keyboards, monitors.
Holy shit.
Digital display.
Yeah, tells you the price. Yeah. Oh, Jesus, dude. See that right there, that mirror right in the center of the screen? You see my light on it? I saw my reflection on it, and I nearly just had a heart attack.
I gotta find the rest of it. Unless that squatter's been banging it.
Right. Oh, God.
Let me see what's here.
Man, that building banging like that, man, that's a very uneasy feeling. Yeah, a lot of stuff in here from MC Sports. Hmm?
The rest of this man.
Yeah, really. What shopping cart is this? What store was that from? Doesn't say. MC
Sports down here on the tray up front.
Yeah, MC Sports. Oops. Man, they put a lot of their stuff in here. Hearing that building, make them noises, though, is, one of the most uneasy feelings. I like the random, little pictures you see here and there.
Yeah, I can't tell what they're trying to sell.
Mm-hmm.
Just a picture.
Yeah.
Shoes.
Mm-hmm. Body glide.
More trash over here.
Yeah.
Another squatter spots.
Mm-hmm. With the amount of noise I keep hearing too, I'll be shocked if we don't come across somebody in here.
Who are these things again? I had it.
I love how you're doing it with that hand.
This was for like this belt straps that go around like boxes and packaging.
Yeah. I'm not sure. Oop. Look at the liquidation sign up there, that like the tag, like that's placed there, upside down yet.
Something $50 off.
It's weird. Oh, here's a mattress. Here's where they were sleeping. Fitting rooms.
Probably.
Yep, fitting rooms. These are goofy. So what the hell? This was a Circuit City. It got fitting rooms. It was a bottom dollar. All this MC Sports crap in here. Dunkin' Donuts. I cannot figure this out. Applications.
Is a Serta mattress?
Yeah, it's a nice one. Man, every time I hear a noise, man, it's just like making me feel weird. I'm not even worried about that. The front door. You know the difference too between going. Oh no, you're good. I was gonna say the difference between going like with Manny and Nate and Kara and Richard. Like we are generally like quiet, so it's like eerily silent in here. Listen to that, just silence.
There's a lot of lights in here.
Yeah.
You don't see it until it starts reflecting.
Mm-hmm.
What was over this way? Because there's no. Well, I mean, anything could have been anywhere, I suppose. Maybe they just shuffled all that shit to the back.
Maybe. Look at all the outlets on the wall here.
Yeah.
For TVs.
TVs over this way.
Mm-hmm. I like the back. Is that for a Bronco? I have no idea. Or a Wrangler.
This is a forklift.
Yep. Jeez. These pictures are weird.
You pulled that out of a kidnapper's photo album.
That thing is rusty.
Why is it all the way up here?
I
The rest of the vehicle's out back.
Yeah. How we looking? Good.
Although that light does light up through the paper room windows a little more than I thought.
Oh, I'm sure it does. I just found a coupon for Sears. I know, the noises that this building is making is just ridiculous.
This is almost as bad as that movie theater that was in the old warehouse.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. It's just all tin.
More signs.
Metal.
You should hear the Walmart when you're in the Walmart over here.
Yeah, same type of building.
Oh, that whole building makes noise because of the wind blowing through the skylights and everything.
Yeah, and when
Look at all these
pressure
desks.
changes, it creaks and groans, all that metal.
Mm-hmm.
Pops and twists and a lot of desks. What the fuck is this?
What the hell was going on here? MC Sports. It's like MC Sports, I guess, maybe moved over here or was going to, or when they closed, they just started chucking everything in here. I don't know. That's weird. It's go to the other part of the back room. We didn't go back here. It's like the warehouse.
Is that a toaster?
Yep. Toaster on the floor there at the doorway. Hello?
I thought you said that because you saw someone.
No.
Look at these. Are these for the garage door?
Yeah, those are springs.
Oh, yeah, they are. That's what I thought they were. They're just huge.
Yeah, well, I mean, look at the size of the garage doors that we saw in the other part of the building. Yeah, look, there's a garage door there. The springs aren't even up there anymore. Wet floor signs. This is weird, man. I saw those. I didn't know what those were.
Look inside the front of this one. It's fucking speakers.
Yeah, it looks like it. Those are speakers. Yeah.
RS8, RS600i.
My gosh.
Google that later, see what the fuck these are.
Power those up, man. We'll have a concert in our houses. Yeah, there's more springs for the garage doors, garage door tracks and stuff. Are these the domes for the lights? I think these are the globes for the lights over here. Yep, those are the globes for the actual like lights. Found another monitor too.
There's a paper shredder. I thrive on these things. I was doing work.
Oh, look at the monitors.
Just like doing spring cleaning in the offices. They had me motor burned out. Like, yeah, obviously I know I was putting in only a few sheets at a time, but it just burned out of overuse.
Yeah. So many spider webs I keep walking through. Oh, somebody had Boston Market. They were hungry. They need some meat. There is a lot of wood in here. Andy said he found a bottom dollar sign, so it'll be the real first thing we find for bottom dollar in here. Holy crap! Holy crap!
Dust.
Wow, the bottom dollar.
Caught in my eyes.
So I'm guessing it wasn't bottom dollar as in the food chain. I'm thinking bottom dollar is in a dollar store. Dude, look at this. Look at this box. It says Kmart and Sears on the tag. What are the odds of that?
Tire grid strips.
This is...
The racks.
This is...
There's a clearance box under there.
That is sick. Just found that too.
There's big breakers in here.
Wow.
How much is in that? 3-phase 4-wire, 2-way, 20.
Oh, dude. Why? Oh, dude, that thing is absolutely creepy.
That's pretty dirty.
Yeah, that's pretty grody.
Would have been funny if it was just like, hey, whoa, turn around and I had it on my face. But
Oh.
on my face.
This is a sign of some sort. MC Sports. They had to have used this store. They have all this stuff in here. They had to have used it for a portion of time. Spotlight. I didn't see that. Man, you see that red light blinking out front.
I know.
It messes with me.
Here.
Ratchet. Tolls.
Oh, yeah. Whoa.
I saw that.
Well then.
Yeah. I think I got all that I needed.
Still a couple of nice displays.
Oh yeah.
Take, especially fucking chairs.
I know I didn't go through that doorway.
Chairs
I know the chairs are nice.
I could take that fucking lever off. Taking mold on it.
Yeah, there's one of those ladders to get into like a pole.
That's what it was. I didn't understand.
Where does this go? We didn't go in this one. Look at all the bags. Are those bags? Yeah, those are bags.
Damn.
They're just generic gift bags. Yeah. Oh, look at this cute painting. Horse friend and a cute little girl on there too. That's ridiculous.
This was music.
Holy crap.
Oh, no, this was sound. This was speakers and shit.
Circuit City.
I was gonna be excited if there was like guitar shit.
Yeah, it's just Circuit City in here.
Did they have instruments?
I don't remember. It's been so many years since I was in one.
Wow, man.
Feel the power. And the horse friend. That picture's so random, man.
And it's in perfect condition.
I know. It's like in excellent shape.
Well, I was gonna tilt it and see how the back looks, but look at the box. It's very molded back here.
Oh yeah.
That's
a serious satellite radio.
that's like mouse dropping and shit.
Yeah. And a liquidation tag. Circuit City signage, kicker. This was Circuit City back here. Left like this. Nothing.
Consumer alert. What's that? Recall?
Consumer alert, yeah, something.
Oh, yeah. It's about the 2009 switch over to the
Digital.
from the analog to
Dude.
nice.
Sick. Oh, look, that on there too. I didn't even realize that. Sick, man. Sick. We're the first to do this. These are the security tags you put on other products. They have like the little metal or magnet in there. Makes it go off. That's crazy.
What the fuck's this gigantic blower unit doing here?
No clue. Look at that.
Wow. It's in perfect shape.
Yeah.
Despite so much trashed shit in here.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm so glad that I got out of the house. I was bowling with my league. I wasn't doing so hot tonight. For some reason, I just could not seem to get on a roll after game one. Game one was great. Game 2 and 3, I was flipping out because I was doing so bad. So I made a phone call, said, hey, what are you doing? You want to come out and explore? And then we somehow drove 2 hours out of Pittsburgh, and here we are, inside Circuit City. Let's see what was behind us. It's like a totally another world back here. Spider webs. Nothing back here though. It's just a dead end.
It's neat being in the back room.
Yeah.
Still feels like, you know, ooh, secret forbidden area. You know, this is closed.
And here we are. There's another like little back entrance here behind.
Hey, here's the bulbs from way up above.
Huh?
One of the bulbs from those
Oh,
lights
yeah.
out front. It's huge.
One of the big xenon bulbs. Or HID bulbs. Mm-hmm.
Is it a dead end over there?
Yeah. That's cool, man. That's cool. That there for Richard Wolf. He's not doing so hot. That works. Somebody's gonna walk in here, see that, and just like panic.
I hope so. I was from watching
Is it me? Is it me, or is it just excessively creepy that the sky is orange over the building? This is the old Circuit City, the back side of it. We were inside of. Right there, that square is where the logo used to be. So you could see it, you know, down over the valley. Now you see the parking lot's just full of rubble, where it's sinking, lifting. There's a cab of a truck, I think, back here. It's either back here or it's somewhere else, or it's further up. Yeah, look, the nose of an 18-wheeler.
Is that behind a chair? Is that a seat from a vehicle?
Yeah. It's like out of a caravan or something. The first time we came here, Kara's sitting down. I was like, Kara, what are you sitting on? She's like, chair. Yeah, it's like out of a caravan.
Look at the brick subsidence.
Oh, yeah.
Snapping right across it.
In the Dick's Sporting Goods, the building's separating too.
The spring underneath, that's out of the 15-wheeler. That's the fucking...
Yeah.
Bounce, what the fuck you call it.
Mm-hmm. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that look inside of the old Circuit City here at Garfield Heights, Ohio, at the City Toxic Center, as we call it. Can't believe how much crap is in here, and that like hidden like corner that still basically was left untouched from Circuit City back when it was the anchor here, before it became bottom dollar and whatever else, if it was anything else. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that exclusive look at this place. Nobody else has filmed it yet, so if you did, make sure you give the video a like. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe for more content. And until next time, guys, take care. Stay awesome. Bye.